Assalamualaikum. My name is Cik Mahasini binti Cik Razali. This is the second lab of MRIB, which is Introduction to PLC Programming using ISP software. For the 7.1.1, it shows network 1, which is X0 and X1 is the contact and Y0 is the output. For this network, X0 is normally closed and X1 also normally closed. So if we run this simulation, Y0 can light because the current can go through the contact. For the 7.1.2, we have two networks, which is network 1. It contains X0, X1, and the output Y0. X0 and X1 is normally open. So if we run the simulation, the current cannot go through this contact and Y0 cannot light up. For the network 2, we have X3, X4, X5, and the output is Y1. For this network, X3 and X5 is normally open. Just X4 normally closed. So if we run the simulation, after we run the simulation, Y1 also cannot light up because the current just can go through at X4 only.
For the 7.1.3, the figure shows network 1 and network 2. Network 1, we have 5 contact, which is X1 and X3 is normally open. X2, X4, and X5 is normally closed. And we have two output, which is Y0 and Y1. For the network 2, we have X6 and X7 for the contact, which X6 is normally closed and X7 is normally open. And we have one output for the network 2, which is Y2. From the table, if X1 is on, then the output Y0 and Y1 is open. If the contact of X2, X4, and X5 is open, then the output is off. For the network 2, as we can see from the table, if X6 is on, X7 is off, then the output is off. If X7 is on, then the output is off. For the 7.3, modify the figure from question 7.1.3, so the line Y0 and Y1 will always on. So we modified it by set the X1 to normally close and X3 normally open. So the current can go through X1, X2. The current can go through X1, X2, X4, X5, and it can and the output both of the output will on.